We are back again on this question that is saying, what is the vertical exaggeration of the cross section you have drawn? We all know that vertical exaggeration, that is VE. I will decide to use acronym so that I will not be writing much. VE is equals to horizontal scale, that's HS, all over vertical scale, VS. Vertical exaggeration is equal to horizontal scale all over vertical scale. Our horizontal scale, that's the scale of the map we have determined earlier. And we got six, we got what we got? We got 1:46,000. 1:46,000. Somebody may decide to approximate it to 1:50,000. But to you, just leave it this way. Just anything you get, just make it a whole number, and that's it for you guys. You understand? But somebody may decide to approximate it to 1:50,000. But as I said, if you put 1:46,000, nobody is going to query, because that's actually what you got. The horizontal scale we determined earlier is 1:46,000. And what is the vertical scale of this map? Said vertical scale, if you can read here, vertical scale of the cross section is 50 feet. Is 50 feet is equals to 15.24 in millimeters. Do you know that when you want to draw the cross section, you are going to use this scale? This is the scale for your cross section. Well, this H is, that's the horizontal scale, is the scale of the map. I hope you are getting it. So if I'm going to draw my cross section now, the scale of that cross section will be 15 millimeter is equals to 50 feet. So if you are converting 15 millimeter to centimeter, will be 1.5 centimeter is equals to 50 feet. That's each 1.5 centimeter. Each 1.5 centimeter is equals to 50 feet. I think I made a video on this earlier, but nevertheless, that's not what we are doing right now. Let me not navigate into something else. Let me try to finish this thing up so that I don't waste most of my time. 50 feet is equals to 15.24 millimeters. We need to make these things, these units, these two units to be the same. Convert this feet to millimeter. What are we going to do? We're given this 1 imperial foot is equals to 0.3048 meters. 1 feet, that's 1 foot, is equals to 0.3048 meters. Don't mind the style of my writing. If 1 foot is equals to 0.3048, 50 feet will be what? In meters. Let's just say x, because we don't know it. Cross multiply our x times the 1 feet, that's the 1 foot, is equals to 0.3048 meters times 50 foot, 50 feet. We need to divide both sides by 1 feet. I'm making it so elementary that all of you can understand it. This 1 foot will cancel 1 foot here. This feet unit will cancel the feet unit here. You'll be left with meters. So anything you get after calculation now, the answer will be in meters. Let me bring my calculator. We're having 0.3048 times 50 is equals to x is equals to 15.24 in meters. So we have converted 50 feet now to meters, and we have gotten 15.24 meters. We need to replace it here then. Sorry, I mean here, right? Yeah. No. We need to replace it here. Sorry, I know definitely you know what I wanted to do. So you need to replace it to this place. What we're going to have is 15.24 meters is equals to 15.24 in millimeter. In millimeters. But still, the two units are not the same. We need to go further. Can I rewrite this thing, like rearrange them this way? I think it will be more convenient for me. 15.24 in millimeters, that's on paper, is equals to 15.24 meters, that's on ground. We need to make these two units to be the same. If you want to convert this millimeter to meters, meters to millimeter, what are we going to do? Is to just divide it by 1000. If you divide it by 1000, what are you going to get? Meaning you are removing 3 zeros. You are having 1, 2, and then 3. You'll be having 0.01524 in millimeters. And this one is 15.24 millimeter. Right now, the two are on the same units, are the same. We need to get the lowest fraction now. Divide both sides by 0.01524 and this by 0.01524. This will go with this. You're having 1 at this side. You're having 1 at this side. Let me bring my calculator and see what we can get. 15.24 divided by 0.01524 equal to 1000. Wow, great. We got 1000 here. Let me just rearrange them so that it will be convenient for us and we can simulate it more better. 1:1000. This is our vertical scale. This is our vertical scale. Well, the question is saying calculate the vertical exaggeration. We got our horizontal scale to be 1 is to 46,000, and our vertical scale to be 1 is to 1,000. So I think we have gotten all we need to get our vertical scale, to get our vertical exaggeration. So we can go ahead now and solve the problem they have given us. Let's go ahead and solve it. Vertical scale, vertical exaggeration is equals to our horizontal scale is 1 to 46,000. We are going to use this 46,000 alone. This 1 is excluded. Just try to know that. We're having 46,000 and divided by vertical scale, and our vertical scale we say is 1 is to 1,000. We are going to use this 1,000 alone, not with that one. So we put 1,000 here. One thousand, we'll go with 3 zeros here. You are left with vertical exaggeration to be times 46. You don't just say 46, you say times 46, because you exaggerate. You are telling them that you exaggerate the cross section by 46 times, meaning it is not the same as it is on the map. You exaggerate it by 46 times. If they change the vertical scale they gave you here, if they change this scale, the vertical exaggeration will also change. But based on the scale they gave you is 46 times. So this is the vertical exaggeration of the map of our cross section. Thank you.